Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, team. How we doing, team? Adelito! How are we doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm sorry I'm a bit late. Bravo trade yesterday, 4L, 2 break even by weekend, trying to win by 45-12 long. Nice. Alright, bro, I'm doing wonderful, guys. What about you, team? How are we doing, guys? Good morning, Platformation. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon for some people. Good evening for others. And how are you this morning? I'm feeling good, bro. I'm feeling good. Beffy! Good morning, guys. Good morning, team. How are we doing, guys? How we are doing? We have some very nice zone this morning. Zone that have high potential of giving us something interesting. We get a 61 that is directly on a psychological level that had some very nice rejection. So I'm gonna look at it closely. We also have a 44-43, which is also on a 69 minute long. Match with our EMA, guys, that could potentially use the EMA as a support. I say so sweet good night today on by Adele. Adele! How you doing, Jad? How are we doing, team? How are we doing, guys? How are we doing? Tuesday, one of our best trading day. By yesterday, we wanna, even if we went back and did another reversal, we keep doing reversal after reversal, just coming from a lot of uncertainty. I still want to sell. I still want to catch something interesting. I do not have no preference, especially on this zone, which we're talking about M15, M5 fib. Either one of those zones get triggered, either one of those zones have our confluence, either one of those zones, sorry guys, have a structure on it, we'll take it. I'll be a bit more aggressive this morning, especially this morning, New York as well. But I'll be a bit more aggressive considering the strength of our potential zone. So not afraid to risk something this morning. We'll try to make something happen, especially knowing Tuesday, one of our best trading days of the week, second best trading day of the week, basically. Buenos días, señorito. Buenos días, señorita. How are you doing, miss? How are you doing? Dixo is still pushing down. This is on the M15. Yield, of course, not moving much. Silver been reacting pretty well. They don't know me, son. Good morning, bro. Good morning, man. What's up, for 100K? Evan, are you following only my trade? If you're able to follow only my trade, you want to build a small buffer, start slowly but surely. We can start at 1.5. Dafro! No, it's impossible, bro. I mean, I didn't even get a return from from my guy. Don't worry, Dafro. I'll check it out right after the live, bro. So what's up? Can I forget about it or what's up? They don't know me some. No, it's just that the situation is complicated, bro. It's complicated, but I will take the time, bro. I will take the time yesterday night, guys. I'm gonna be honest. You know what I did yesterday night when I closed the live? You know what I did? I went downstairs, then back in online, and then I'm back. Let's go! Awesome, bro. You finished your classes? Yesterday night, I closed the live, went downstairs, got myself a burrito, came back up. I was sleeping at like 9:30 max. Yeah. Had a big night's sleep. But believe me, my situation is more than I know, bro. They don't know me, son. I know. This is why we're gonna take the time, bro. Do not worry. We're gonna take the time. Have Zoom, now no more school, just Zoom. Awesome, bro. Except me were. Did you see yourself? Of course I did. Okay, bro. Don't worry, man. I'm on that Dafro. Do not worry, bro. Therefore, if you respect all the rule, absolutely no reason. I promise you, don't worry. Okay, man, I hope for today, bro. Big love. Awesome. Awesome, man. We sell now. We're looking for sale, guys. Let's get aggressive with Adele. Yep. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Our zone are very nice, guys. I do not remember the last day. Full port today. I don't remember the last day that I really liked our zone like this. Liking the vampire cut. Appreciate you, bro. The vampire cut. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. So I think if you feel it when it comes with how to, especially on the first day, especially on the first week, first month, yeah. But once you know. Blame it on me. Blame it on me. Tomorrow, bro, I need from you again 50, bro. Okay, bro. Alright. Sell now. Nice again, very nice rejection, guys. Very, very nice rejection again. $550 was surprisingly good since Asia session. 550 guys is the favorite fib of the retail, sorry. Not the type of fib that you want to trade. Not the type of fib that you want to trade, knowing that there's a lot of fake out, knowing that institution aim for that fib as a way to either sweep you or as a way to understand very high potential liquidity zone. Give me a second, I'm just building a private group. It's not going to take... Okay, guys, proper rejection on it. We got to see the XY making a small reversal. Silver is also on the structure, which I like, team, which I like. Waiting for sweep. We already had the sweep. Right now we're waiting for structure. Of course, if we do stabilize in our zone, guys, we potentially gonna see a double sweep. This is something that we saw a lot since the market reset 2 weeks and a half ago, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. This is something that we saw a lot. We saw sweep, which is normal, but we saw double sweep, we saw triple sweep. So execution matter, all right? Execution matter, guys. A trade could be valid. A trade could be valid, all right? But because your execution is not on point, is not top notch, your execution need to be top notch, especially on those type of market. When we see double and triple sweep happen very often, way more often than usual. Double, triple sweep should happen maybe 4 or 5 times into the week. No, now we see some days that we're having double, triple sweep on valid structure happening every day, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Very fast reaction, very fast reaction. No FOMO, guys. Stay patient, team. We'll get back to normal. Eventually miss. I mean, volume will get back to normal. But normal, this is the thing. You guys gotta change your definition of a normal. Because the normal that you think that you saw from January till now, till April is dead. This is the new normal. So the question is more, will the volume become like the first trimester of the year? It will after summer. This is why there's a couple of conditions that we really gotta follow. I mean, fake out's been happening over and over and over again. How many people do you think guys enter just right now, you know, thinking that what's the difference between fake out and sweep? So a fake out is a price action that would go, let's say we want to sell right now, and as you saw, you had a fake out, you had a price action that gave us the indication that we want to go to the downside without sweeping liquidity, without getting more liquidity towards a sell. Liquidity sweep, all right, is a price action that would potentially make a higher high, all right, that will get enough liquidity, okay, to go lower. So this is the difference of a fake out and a sweep. A sweep gonna aim for liquidity. A fake out is just gonna try to fake you out. Is it clear? Because this is very two different things, all right, and it's important to understand the difference between those both. Institution in the market, I think, fell in the control. Yeah, institution in the market today, yeah. Yes, they are. How are you there on this? Doing wonderful. Doing wonderful. Doing wonderful. What about you, team? What about you? Should we still want to hit the sell zone when we have our conference? Structure, stabilization, rejection, momentum. Well, please tell us when it's time for now. Yes, give an Adele one time. Give an Adele? What do you mean give an Adele? Adele! How big you made the sales zone? It depends, bro. It depends. Let's say the 52. This is 5 pips under, 5 pips, 10 pips over, right? But normally on low volatile, low volume market, it's 50 cents. We're talking pips, of course. So 50 pips over, 5 pips over, sorry, 5 pips under. We gotta be very precise with our zone, guys. We gotta be very, very precise with our zone. Sweep? Yep. Yep. Nice. You get your staying to different best. You go, bro. Hope today we get to launch. Yeah, that's the goal. This is the goal. Like I said, I'm gonna be a bit more aggressive, especially with the zone that we had. I really like them. And okay, I'm not gonna say that because you guys are gonna think that this is how we usually work. It's not. Alright, it's not. It's not because we know that we have a solid zone over here that we're gonna take it. But when you have a very solid sell zone, alright, that give us the very strong liquidity, strong resistance, psychological level. I mean, it's a 61, guys. This is one of the best fib. The chances that it work are high, okay? And additionally to this, we have a very strong zone over here as well. So in that type of case, most of the time we are winner. Still, we want to be patient because if I put it on the M15, there's no red close. Okay, you can see that the last two candles are very solid to the outside. Good thing is that we saw that the last hour over here, all right, the last hour, because guys, you gotta base yourself on a history, especially when we're trading the same level. 61, yes, is a solid level, but sometimes the smaller 61 are not able to stop the price to get hit as much as, let's say, a 38, all right? That yes, even if it's a bit less stronger than the 61, is able to get rejected a bit more than our 61, guys. So potential entry could be looked at. The XY is still going down. This is the M15 though. Let's switch on the M5 so we can have something a bit more precise. Chart is lagging. Good thing I have my we made the sweep at 54, guys. Made the sweep at 54, which that means that if we're able to get something towards 52, to get something towards 51 high, that could be a very nice risk to reward. All right. Right now we are pushing very strongly, but we saw high liquidity zone, high liquidity level previously on the 61. So let's see. Hello, what's good, BNB? Just made a higher high again, guys. We know that when we make a higher high, it does invalidate our structure. Okay, bullish momentum is strong, team. We have the M15 close in exactly 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Adele, do you like electric derp? Yeah, man. Yeah. There's a couple of one over here in Dubai. I saw a couple of young guys, a couple of even kids riding those. What they be called? No, not Sona. A name like this. What they be called? I forgot. We got silver over here. Following gold. The pretty Saran, yes, thank you that from. Saran, yeah. Morning GP. How you doing, bro? GP, do you start trading with a funded account or not yet? Good thing we're patient, guys. Good thing we are patient. That silver on the M5, that Dixo on the M5 as well, was not able to break the low over here, which is a good sign. Which is a very good sign. Sell gold for gold 4560, 4561. Not really, bro. I mean, we do not have much on the 4560 and 61. It's basically our 71, which is not a solid level. Look at you, awesome GP. I'm gonna look at it. We'll like to see stabilization into our zone back, guys. Closing in 1 minute. This M15 close will be very important. As you can see, we're not able. Who asked me this question yesterday? I think it was Missile. Maybe he. What are the best? I think the question was what about the margin call level, about the margin level. And as you can see, guys, you can see that the 65. Of course, we do not trade the 65. We're never gonna open a trade on 65, but we can see that the 65 is very closely linked to our 61 and is giving us some type of rejection. Exactly the same thing, exactly the same type of rejection that we had over here, and we could potentially have it over here. Of course, are we gonna jump into a trade just because we have the same type of rejection that we had an hour ago? No, all right, that could be a fake out. We saw many of those over here. We saw 1, 2, we saw 3, and we could potentially see 4, all right? So now we saw 3 fake outs. You do not want to be the guy that is coming in after the 4 or 5 fake out and fake out and fake out again. This is going to be a very bad loss. So, tomorrow the Feds are injecting money. I am seeing gold flying. Yeah. I mean, personally, like I said, guys, I do not see gold ending the week under 45. Okay, I could be wrong. A lot of uncertainty coming from the market, a lot of uncertainty coming from investors, a lot of uncertainty coming from the storyline of the institution. So I could be wrong, but really I do not see gold ending under 45. I could even go and I see gold ending towards 47, but look, we'll see. Amazing close. This is an amazing close, guys. We couldn't had a better close than this, I'm gonna be honest. Could not had a better close than this. Wow, the XY reversing as well. That could be a potential trade that we could try, guys, especially with a risk to reward for 55. If we're able to enter something at what, 52, 53, that could be interesting. Can we try it? Not right now, guys. Not right now, but silver is looking good, gold is looking good, DXY is looking good. And when you start to look at all those conferences looking good, now you gotta start asking yourself, if this trade doesn't go my way, will it be a bad loss or will it be a good loss? And right now I'm looking at the trade and it looks like it could be a good loss. When it's a good loss, you cannot be afraid of taking the trade, guys. So let's see if we can make something happen. Rizzo! How you doing, bro? This is the M15 on the XY. How's everything with you, Ross? This is the M15 on the XY, just to give you an idea, guys. Just waiting for confirmation. Silver is pumping. See! Bobo! I wanna take you there. But this is crazy. They reopened the account. They said it was a false breach. I told you, bro. Maybe wrap some attacks or something like that, but don't worry, bro. It do not happen, especially when personally not my support. When I text, especially when I text, don't worry, bro. Don't worry. Nah, that's right. I told you. My word is my bond, bro. I do whatever I want with. I would never affiliate myself with a prop firm that would not even let me do whatever I want. All right. Because I have so much offers. It's not my prop firm, but it's basically mine, you know? So every member that take a funded account through me, the percentage of people that respected the rule didn't get a payout is 0%. 0%. Okay guys, let's focus now. Could be our first trade of this Tuesday. I was always scared that I did a mistake, but I was sure you know. Bro, if you're sure, good, man. If you always put your stop loss, if you never risk it more than 1%, news trading, of course you did not because it's automatic, it's a bot. Adele! The DXY is pumping. Silver is pumping as well. Of course, bro. We're looking to place a trade right now. We're looking to place a trade at the moment. If we're able to see DXY breaking the trend line, breaking the EMA, that could be our sign. That could potentially be at least an added confluence to give us a validity of this trade. Guys, the only thing I don't like, okay, because of course it's very difficult to have perfect trade, is that silver keep making higher high, all right? Higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low, but we're back higher high, and now higher high again, guys. So could that be a fake out? It could, guys. We saw so many fake outs. You guys saw that it's in structure. It's been what, 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's been 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, we saw about 2 fake outs per candle. We talked about 6 to 10 fake outs in a space of 30 minutes, which is insane. Nothing clear in here. Nothing clear. Again, higher high, higher low, and we could potentially do a higher high on this, guys. Oh, nice. DXY broke it. That's very nice. DXY broke it though. Wow. Okay. Now it's looking interesting. Can we see a complete reversal or it's just manipulation coming? We saw one breakout here that actually resulted to a complete reversal. So we need to be careful. But this is a good sign. This is a good sign for us. Can we try? We cannot try it right now. We could potentially try it at the close, guys. I want to protect our, guys, we need to protect our capital, all right? But this is a very good sign, seeing DXY pushing like this. Wow. Massive rejection, team. Did you just see that? We came up to 53, we had a massive rejection, came back to 51 straight away. Oh! Ho 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 ho! Hey guys, I think we gotta try it because I mean, complete break of the trend line. Complete break of the trend line, guys. Fake out could happen though. Fake out could happen very quick, team. Execution matter. Execution matter a lot. try it, guys. I'll try it. Dexter is pushing too strongly, team. If you could, if you want to end at 49, you could. It's not dumb. If you want to end at 49, it's not dumb. Dexter is just crazy. Dexter is just absolutely crazy, team. If we're able to catch it, this is what I call a perfect execution. Silver is not moving, I don't like that. Very nice. We need to push to 46 very, very quickly. Very nice. $47. That's why I gotta keep pushing. We gotta see something on silver. Otherwise, that's just gonna be a fake out. If we come back to not a back close, not a back close. That's why I keep pumping, guys. That's why I keep pumping. Right now, what we're trying to do is taking late entry. But that's why I keep pumping. The only thing that I don't like is silver that is not moving. The only thing that I do not like is silver. That is not moving much. I'm in at 51. Nice entry, bro. Solid entry. For the people that are in at 52 and more, you should put yourself break even. Especially if we come back to 47. Especially if we come back to 47, you should put yourself break even. Yes, I am. Yes, guys. When I say let's try it, it's our sign, alright, team? When I say let's try it, I cannot say I'm. But when I say let's try it, silver is paw. I'm in from 52, solid. Silver joking, yes he is. Yes he is. That's why I put the SL a bit higher, all right? Because that's why I put the SL a bit higher. Why? Because the potential sweep could happen, and we do not want to be. We do not want to get sweep on that. We do not want to get sweep on that. Regarde le dollar for boss. DXY, very nice, very nice. That is a good sign for us, team. That is a very good sign for us. You know why? Because if we would have seen no rejection at all on the SMA, I would have been worried. I would have told you guys, look, you should push yourself break even right now. This could reverse anytime. The fact that we are seeing some kind of rejection on the SMA, maybe it's not gonna go our way, but still, we could still have something, all right? Very nice close as well. Very nice close as well. Silver need to be a good boy for once. Yeah, I mean, he's having trouble being a good boy. Very nice. We need to see DXY pumping right now. We need to see a DXY pumping. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult to see a DXY that is not pumping, a silver that is not coming down with gold, and a gold having enough momentum, even if the zone is strong, having enough momentum to potentially break. Because this is a 38, guys. This is a 38, all right? This is a buy 38, all right? I did not put it because it's not a solid buy, but it could be enough to not give us the momentum to go lower. So yeah. Nice drop. Solid. No. YouTube, they closed the live. TikTok closed the live for 10 minutes, guys. No big deal. Yeah, TikTok closed, I know. TikTok closed the live, guys. Oh. There's no Kleenex, huh? Very nice, guys. DXY for the people on YouTube. Mid in the trade, yeah. For the people on YouTube, guys, DXY is still getting rejected by the SMA. That's good. Silver is not looking good. So what we're gonna do is, I think putting ourselves break even right now is very nice. We need to push right now, guys. I hate when we're taking too much time to push to the downside. DXY having trouble. DXY having real trouble. It depends on your entry, guys. It depends on your entry, but right now, up 40 pips, I would put myself break even. Nice push. Give me a 47. No. Very nice close, guys. Very nice push. Very nice close. Very nice push. TikTok sent it to the lobby. And I closed the live for 10 minutes, guys. Yeah, super manipulation. I know, guys. Break even right now. There's no other choice. I mean, we're not. If I need to re-enter, I'm gonna re-enter, but I cut off TikTok? No, it's not you that cut off TikTok. It's TikTok that cut me off. It's TikTok that cut me off. Let me get some Kleenex, 1 second, guys. Oh, Samantha! How you doing, Samantha? Adelito! Yeah, I'm out, guys. I'm out. Break even touch, team. A bit fucked up, I'm gonna be honest. A bit fucked up. But when I saw silver just pumping like this, I mean, there was some sign, and you gotta listen to the sign. Yeah, break even. Yeah. Still a good sell one silver touch 61. No, it was a solid sell. I would have taken this sell every day. And the fact that we out break even mean that the sell was valid, you know? Mean that the sell was valid is just. I shared it in the group, guys, because of course the live closed and there's probably some people that are not in the private group that took the entry. Silver killed us on that. I'm telling you guys, we had even a slightest push. I mean, nothing killed us, but I mean, even had the slightest push on silver, and we could have went to 43 in a matter of seconds. Good thing we put ourselves break even, guys. Oh! Massive reversal, guys. Massive reversal. Wow. I mean, we could have smelled it, I think, from 2-3 miles away, no? It was pretty easy to smell from 2-3 miles away. I don't like London Session, no why? Wow, that's wild. Awesome. We're back, guys. We're back on TikTok for the people that switch from TikTok to YouTube, or the opposite. We're back on TikTok, baby. Absolutely crazy push, wild push, guys. And this is what I'm telling you, by execution can be perfect, okay? Let's say that you didn't enter where we entered, okay? Over here. 49, 50, 51, 52, even 53 maybe, okay? And you decide to enter a bit lower over here, you get absolutely smashed because you had no opportunity to put yourself break even. I'm still on a sell at 45, 50, should I hold it? Why would you hold that? Why would you hold that, guys? I couldn't get back to break even at 50, 50. Bro, come on. We came back, guys, we came back to 47, you know? 48 flat. But yeah, I mean, team, when you see a silver that keep pushing, at one point, silver was the only confluence, all right? Hold short. You should not hold short. If we are able to catch a re-entry after our break even, we're gonna get it. But why would you risk your capital holding short and being more than 100 pips in drawdown? I mean, come on, no, guys, I'm break even. Break even, team. I'm so glad I'm here. You just saved us, SL. Team, when you do not feel the momentum on your side, you see silver keep pushing up. Hey, I took the trade when silver was pushing up. Why? Why? Because every confluence was on our side, all right? Every confluence was on our side. At one point, I told myself that if silver keep pushing up, we're gonna have to put ourselves break even. What happened? Silver kept pushing up. We put ourselves back even, we saved the massive loss. GG, guys, GG to everybody that respected their plan. Awesome, guys, awesome. This is a win, by the way. MT5, what do you mean? You do not enter now, no. Very nice. Next sell zone are 88, guys. Next sell zone are 88. Let me put it. This way, okay? Yeah. This way, I broke the trend line. Crazy push, and wait. DXY didn't give us one fake out. DXY didn't give us two fake out. DXY didn't give us three fake out. DXY build structure on the SMA. Let us know that we could potentially use the SMA as a bounce to go higher. And again, that all comes up to if your execution is shit, you are not gonna last in this market. You are not gonna last. If you are greedy, if you are afraid, guys, anyone answer me? He's using, no, bro, I use C-Trader. This is not a live account. This is Trading View, bro. All right. I don't even know why that matters. I could use MT5. I could use C-Trader. I could use MT4. I could even use MT1. Okay. I don't know why that matters. Everyone liquidated now broke for the. Nobody liquidate you. You liquidate yourself because you had around 5 opportunities to get break even. You're greedy, you stand the trade. Greedy people and scared people are not gonna last in this market. I'm telling you. Greedy people, scared people, FOMO people are not gonna stay in this market. That's for sure. Smart number given, that's a win grade prediction. Of course it is. Very nice, Chad. Very, very nice. And the people, all right? I'm talking about greed. I'm talking about scared. I'm talking about FOMO. But the people that are going to follow their training plan will get rewarded, all right? They will get rewarded. The thing is that our next sell zone, guys, is pretty high. We're talking about 45.73. We could put our 45.65, but is it really worth it? Not really. Not really, to be honest. J'essaie de monter. C'est pour ça qu'il faut que tu protèges ton capital, Gigi. Il faut que tu protèges ton capital. Quand on est capable d'avoir une réaction qui est quand même bonne, tu comprends que si le trade revient à ton entrée, le trade va aller à ton SL. I mean, Z-Bash told us this morning that he's gonna full port, so of course if you full port, of course if you don't even put yourself break even, awesome, nice, very, oh, wow! Wow, team. Awesome, Leon, very nice, bro. Very, very nice, wow. Look at this team. Guys, I know some good trader. I know some solid trader that been red for the past month. Some good trader. Not some hey trader, I just start trading and I've been making money for 2 weeks and now I think no. Traders that have been in the market for 6, 8, 10 years that are in the red for the last month, all right? Why? Because they do not have this ability, right, to adapt. As a trader, if you're not able to adapt, maybe they've been able to adapt for 1 year, for 2 years, for 5 years. Good traders are not defined by good market. Good traders are defined by bad market. Very nice. We could potentially re-enter, guys. Could potentially re-enter if you... God, this. C'est que j'aime ça quand ça fait ça. Fucking hate when the buckle break. We enter sell potentially. Potentially what? Now we gotta focus on this. First of all, mark our new buy zone. Second of all, understand why we made a massive liquidity sweep. Understanding if it's a massive, wow, look at this, guys. Look at the XY. This is the XY on the M5, not the M15, not the M30, not the H1. This is the XY on the M5. Super impressive. Super impressive. And I was talking about that, what, 30 minutes ago. What happened? Nothing happened, bro. So the trade over here, break even. Right now we're looking for potential re-entry if it's safe, of course. If it's safe, of course, yes. You guys know that I never, I've been trading for half a decade. I never lost a trade on a re-entry, guys. It never happened. Why? Because I'm extremely careful with my re-entry. When I re-enter, it's because I'm almost 95% sure that it was a sweep. And right now we cannot be sure that it's a sweep. Could be another fake out. Silver better now? Better is this. I would take that slightly. Bro, the M15 looked awful. M15 look awful. I mean, and it's not about just being green. It's about making one M15 red to make us think that the next one gonna go down. Actually created opposite. Because with this close, you can still think that silver is gonna go down. With this close, you can still think that silver is gonna go down if you do not have experience. Of course, when you see a hammer candle closing like this, a 50-50 candle on the M15 closes like this, but still. And not just not to watch from sideline up. Yeah, I mean, bro, I don't know why would you full port. I tried to mount for 2 hours right so 2 years old. Volume is too high. Market volume. It's still in 30-minute video. We don't trade with AVG, guys. AVG, the fair value gap only means that there's an imbalance in the market. Is it a bullish imbalance? Is it a bearish imbalance? You need the other confluence to mark yourself up. So I'll buy nothing right now. Nothing. Give me a second, I'm gonna adjust my buy zone, my buy fib. Just broke it. C'est un non. Non, non, non. Could put a sales on a 78 though. Could put a sales on a 78. I don't like it though. I don't really like it. Prefer to be patient on this, guys. I really prefer to be patient on this. Think you grab liquidity? It looks more like it's forming a structure at the moment. It looks more like it's want to form a structure just to take enough liquidity and to go higher. We could smash to the downside, but I do not see it. I really do not see it. I mean, I doubt that we smash to the downside. I really doubt that we smash to the downside. We could though. Now I think we have enough liquidity to potentially smash to the downside. Silver doesn't look good on M15. The XY doesn't look good on the M15. Bro, sell? No, no, no. Why would you sell right now? DXY is pushing. I mean, look at this close. Why would you sell right now? Why would you sell right now? Come on, guys, look at silver. You gotta be a kamikaze to sell right now. This is what you gotta be. Why do you guys want to sell right now? Because we got enough liquidity? Yeah. Okay. And I could see the liquidity grab. I could see it. The good thing is that DXY is not able to officially break the EMA, so that's a good thing. The bad thing is that we're playing extremely high. That's a bad thing. We're playing extremely high. The bad thing is that if we look at the M15, that is closing in what? 2 minutes. It's awful. The good thing is that the M15 is not as representative as in a normal market. Which I'm ready to base entry? M5. M5. Let's print those high, let's go! Yeah, that's the goal, guys. We want to aim to 88%. We want to aim to the 88. Close in 2 minutes, guys. I got Kevin. Yes, it's just I got Kevin over here. You look a bit like young Johnny Depp. That's a compliment, bro. Appreciate you. I don't really see it, but did you tell? Yes. So, guys, we enter one trade. All right, the top right now. We enter one trade. We enter one trade for this London session. We were a bit aggressive on it, but it was very solid. Entered over here. We put ourselves break even once we were 40 to 50 pips in profit. Super manipulation, as you saw, guys. Silver just keep climbing. Out break even, which is a win, of course. Right now, we're potentially looking to get a sell on the 78, on the 88. I'm waiting to put our fib, guys. I'm waiting to put our fib for the unique and simple reason. I want to see what's gonna happen on this 71 rejection, because yes, this is a 71. M15 closing in 1 minute. It's right now or never, you know. I mean, look at the M15, guys. Look at the M15. Looks absolutely awful. And also, do silver and gold ideally to move in the same? Yes, exactly, guys. Silver is the same correlation, alright? There's a same correlation as gold. But DXY and the yield is an opposite correlation. That look good. Having DXY pushing like this, especially with a very solid entry, that could look good, guys. If we're able to potentially take it right at the close of the M15, I will not be against. Really, guys. Very nice push on DXY, guys. Very nice push on DXY. Closing in 7 seconds. Closing in 7 seconds. It's just the M15 doesn't look good. M15 doesn't look good, guys. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh. No, the market today looks so choppy. Yep. DXY pushing, that's a good sign. That's a good sign, guys. That's a good sign. It's worth a try, I think, team. I think it's worth a try. Despite the bad M15, I think it's worth a try. DXY is pushing too strongly to not have an initial reaction. Yeah, we'll try it. We tried it, guys. Risk reward is awesome as well. Risk reward is awesome as well, guys. Very nice. We have the first downside movement. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Nice, baby. Come on, push. Give me a 54. DXY keep pushing. Nice, baby. Solid, guys. I'm not really gonna play with this trade, alright? What I mean by that is I'm gonna put myself break even very fast. I'm gonna put myself break even very fast, okay? So if it's going back up, we still protect. Very nice, guys. Perfect execution. Perfect execution. Solid, guys, very solid. And this is what a perfect execution look like. Does it? Of course they do. Of course they do. I'm break even, guys. Keeping up the win rate on the re-entry. I mean, guys, you know, I never lost a trade on the re-entry. In my 5 years of trading, never. Break even now, guys. We're break even. When did you enter? 58. Uh, 58.06. 58.06. Didn't get in. It's fine. It's okay. No FOMO, guys. Oh, but it was good. It was a good team. Having trouble breaking the 54. Let's target TP151. I should have put it at 52 though. Entry 60. Wow. Awesome, man. Silver again. The good close, yeah. The good close will be appreciated. The Good close would be nice. Closing in 5 seconds. Give me a 53 close. 54 low, I'll take it. Nice. Good close, guys. Solid close. Solid close. We need a fast breakout. We need a fast breakout. In at 50. Wow. You guys have better entry than me. Now it's starting to happen, huh? You guys are taking over. You guys have better entry than me. But yeah, we need a fast breakout. We need a fast breakout, guys. Nice. Where can I sell? No, come on. Selling at 54. Landing for the best. The XI is still pushing. The XI is still pushing. I just texted in the private group, guys, that we didn't reach 52 yet, but we're gonna take profit on 52. All right. If we do reach it, we're gonna take profit on 52. 52 is a very, 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 very strong reversal zone, which is our 61. I'm sorry, which is our 61. So guys, you guys know that I do not take profit on, most of the time I do not take profit on TP1. That could happen this time. Not because of FOMO, not because of nothing like this, but this zone is very, very strong, all right? This zone is very, very strong. This is a zone that again have high potential of reversing. So let's see. So let's see, guys. Putting our SL on break even, guys, very, very important. If you did not do it, please do it. All right, please do it. Did not reach 52 yet. Starting to learn because of you. Awesome, bro. That's awesome, man. Really awesome. I take a trade at 52 sell. 52? Come on, bro. How would you do that? Yes, too late to enter, bro. Yes. I get some quick profit back. Great inside there, helping loads. That's the goal, bro. That's the goal. Personally, did not trigger my TP1 because, guys, I set my TP1 on 52, as I just told you in the private group. 40%. 40% of my position. You guys know that I almost never get out of on TP1. I'm not fully getting out on TP1, of course. I'm not even taking slight position on TP1. On this one, I will. 52 is the TPS. Guys, please, all right? If it wasn't clear, put yourself break even. Very important. This was a perfect execution. In both trades, it was a perfect execution. In this trade, we got it on this wick. All right, we got it on this wick. That gave us a very nice push. On this trade, we got it on this wick, which also gave us a very nice push. We're talking about if you took it on 57, 58, we're talking about a 30 to 35 pips SL. So that's a great reaction for my long. Good for you, bro. Good for you, man. AdelCFX is reversing. Silver having trouble going down. Can it be a re-enter? It's too late, guys. It's too late. We already re-entered. Yes. What's your entry? 58. My exact entry, let me... 58.06. This is my exact entry. Some people even have a better entry than me. I missed the break even on first, which is my bad. That you got the most calculated trade I've seen. Bro, we're trading like the bank. We're trading the institution. We are extremely precise. Execution matter. So, yeah, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. I'm happy that. And you guys know that I usually do not trade on the 71. Huh? You guys know that I usually don't take trade on the 71. That group I was in before was so bad. Yeah, bro. Most of the senior groups sending you 20 trade a day. They just want you to lose your money. So yeah, of course. You know, when you lose money, they make money. That's not how we work over here. When I make money, you make money. Simple. I hate when you just blank over that zone. Like we're break even, but we didn't reach TP1 yet. You guys know I like fast execution, I like fast breakout. They hit 4S. Wow. Wow. Are you gonna build you have same analysis? No, that's wrong actually. Me and Bill, we trade the same way. But me and what, they enter on this trade as well? We have the same strategy, of course, but analysis, no. Somebody can ask, 1 + 1 still good? Not really. Yes? Nice. Where? Early or he's on a sellout? Nice. Yeah, I mean, guys, great mind in line again, team. But he probably did not enter at the same place. I probably did not enter at the same place. You know, we have the same strat, but sometimes he takes trade, I don't take. Sometimes I take trade, he don't take. He entered at 59. He entered at 59. Nice, where? Nice. Hold on, 1 for me. Yeah, I mean, bro. What you gotta do? Super easy. Super easy. Let me open my TikTok now. Bro, of course that if you just open it over here with the, you know, open with the browser, it's not gonna work. So what you gotta do is link in the bio, click on the three little dot, open with the browser. You're gonna be in it. Sweet, I'm getting now. Awesome. Guys, for the people that are getting into the big group, I'm gonna accept every one of you team right after the live or at 100 requests. Adele! Sales zone become the buy zone, let's go. Yeah. Okay, the sales zone that we had previously, I mean, this is 22%. This is a 22%. Let me readjust my feed. It would low-key piss me off if really the 22% will have, I mean, it is what it is, but if the 22% would have, would be able to reject the price. I love seeing a price going to 42 on our 61, could be very nice. Oh god, I missed the buy. Which buy? We didn't even take a buy, guys. We took a sell. We took 2 sell actually. Break even over here. Or break even again. We'll see if we are able to hit TP1 or again break even, which is part of the game, team. Which is part of the game. Break even is a win. Right now, DXY is pushing to the downside. Silver is not able to break it. Probably a break even, to be honest. Probably a break even. DXY falling, yep. But there's always a minimum, bro. Minimum when you're starting, start with 0.01, then slowly go up. I mean, look at this manipulation, guys. We have gold absolutely falling, and we also have DXY falling. That's wild. Nice, baby. TP1. Very nice close, team. Look at this manipulation, guys. Awesome, team. TP1 hit, baby. Awesome close. Really awesome close. Very nice, guys. Very, very nice. I'm surprised though. I'm surprised. I mean, we do have DXY absolutely falling. We probably needed a bit more of liquidity. We probably needed a bit more of liquidity. Look at this, guys. When I take break even is $0 or like it depends. It depends which account you have, bro. You can have the raw spread. No, bro. On no break even in the world, it's $0. It's impossible. You gotta put it just over. And then always with the right call. Big love, guys. Connecting everyone. Yeah. Good things, guys. It triggered my TP1. All right. It triggered my TP1 because, like I said, team, the zone, the reversal zone is wild. I'm out 40%. I'm out 40%, so now I have 4.5 lots in only right now. But very nice, team. Very, very nice. Did it trigger my break even? No way. It did not, guys. It's probably gonna hit it right now, but that's crazy. That's wild. Time for my coffee number 2. That's wild. Time for the yeah. That's crazy. There's no way. We're taking enough liquidity to potentially go lower, guys. Honestly, I thought that we would smash to the upside. Thanks, bro. Your broker is great. They allow me to trade with. Of course it does. Of course it does. Of course it does. That for spread on my broker. Very solid spread, bro. I have one of my live accounts with raise. Yeah, I'm still in, bro. Yeah. Bro, it went. Yo, that's crazy. It went 0.025. I don't know if you guys, wow. That's wild. If we're able to hit that TP2 with this kind of massive liquidity grab, that's wild. I do not think so, but Or the Pepperstone Lady go there. Ciao ciao. Appreciate you, bro. We have a ciao ciao. Yes, yes, yes. Ciao ciao. TP2 is on 43, guys. TP2 is on 43 if we're able to reach it. If we're able to reach it. Guys, honestly, normally I have big trust, you know, in our TP. But like I said, I'm out 40% on the TP1. And I'm surprised I hit. With DXY going down, I'm surprised I hit. Of course, no, our trade is awesome. But I'm surprised that our TP1 hit after DXY just drowning, you know? It's wild. Now it's playing Barrett to get in. Yeah. Please, this is sell or buyer. We took a sell, bro. We took a sell. Right now we're either waiting for the TP2 or I don't know why I said TP2 hit. TP2 didn't get hit. TP2, nobody told me, guys. Why nobody told me? TP2 loading. Either waiting for TP2 or Marino or break even, basically. Either way, we're gonna come back for New York. Just accepted everybody in the group, guys. Perfect, I'll be in the private group with it. Awesome, man. Awesome. GG cha chow? Yeah? Where us break even set? Marino! You said yes, we did manifesting TP2, that's good. That's good. Oh, sorry. Coming back from New York, I got out when it fly up, so now I got a FOMO. Very nice. That's a prime example of what discipline look like. Very proud of you, bro. Salut, Potter. Salut. Oh, she put the AC way too high. Now I'm tripping. Is it BTC? No, XIUSD, guys. XIUSD. Monday, Tuesday. We'll see, guys. We'll see, but you guys know that our Tuesday and Thursday are our best trading day. Now we took one trade, two trade, one break even over here. Perfect execution, by the way. Perfect execution. One TP1 potentially. A TP2 if the market is with us. It does not look like it. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I do not see I do not see a reversal on DXY. I really do not see a reversal on DXY. If I'm super straight with you, I'm super straight with you. I do not see it happening. But yeah, I want to take a solid win on New York though. Maybe today that could be our day that we're not closing till we smash it. What do you think? We'll put the jacuzzi inside the apartment. I'm gonna put the cold plunge on the terrace, but it's not this penthouse is not for me to live in. I bought it only to rent. Right? I bought it only to put for rent. My break even is at 45. What do you do, Adele? Nice. On the way to Asia, let's go. I mean, guys, the goal is not to go to Asia session, all right? The goal is not to go to Asia session, but we'll see. We'll see if I do it today or Thursday. Just let's wait till smash. What's your SL? Break even, guys. Break even. My SL is 58 point. Put it a bit higher, but 58.10. That offer, yes, I get you, bro. But it's too expensive to rent it. Will take years to make money back. No, on this asset, I should make my money back in 4 to 5 years. 4 to 5 years if I'm smart with it. Yeah, 4 to 5 years. Something like that. I just hit 2 break even with Billy. Break even is a win, bro. Break even is a bit yeah, incredible area. And Dubai is only yeah, of course. I cannot get my money back on a $16 million penthouse. $16 million. On a $16 million AD penthouse if I just rent it on yearly contract. No, short-term rental, days, weeks, months. That's the only way to make your money back, quick. Otherwise, you're gonna wait 10 to 15 years, and I'm not waiting that. Yeah, guys, break even is a win team. Break even is a win. We hit one break even, one TP1. Who's be like his name? He's my very good friend. We trade the same way, the same strategy. So yeah. How much does it cost like that for a week in Dubai? So if let's say you just come for a week in Dubai, and you want to rent a penthouse like this, it's gonna cost you 10,000 a night. Something like that, 10K a night. On low season, maybe 5 to 7. On high season, yeah. On high season, it's gonna cost you 8 to 12. Like let's say there's a big event. Let's say the Expo, okay, the Expo that is coming up next year. On high season like this, those type of penthouse go for 8 to 12, easy. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. In 4 or 5 years, I'm gonna make my money back, inshallah. If this, the situation gotta be better as well. The situation gotta get better, you know. Of course. So that was a bit of a gamble, but you know. What's your sell entry? 58. Yeah. Yep. And guys, we're talking about 1,200 square meter. We're talking about 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom. We're talking about, you know, it's some the 5-minute candle. What show you? The 5-minute candle. What show you? What do you mean? I stay in the basement. Is this gold or? Yeah. Yes. The price is fair, but which location? Marina. There's no better location than this. You know, I asked the real estate agent. I told him, did you ever sell like a better penthouse than this? You know, and he was like, I mean, there's one at the is that the Height Fendi? The Height Fendi? What do you mean by Fendi? There's one, but it's at the St. Regis, and we're talking about like 150 million, something crazy, you know. Whatever you want to do against you, just leave it to break even. Yeah. I normally do not do that, but I said it in the private group. What did I say? I say, team, you guys know I normally don't go out on TP1, but I would draft 40% of my position considering this extreme bullish momentum and wild manipulation. I encourage you to do the same and let the rest ride to either break even or TP2. So yeah. Or 10 pips from my break even, so it's probably gonna hit right now, but you know. Some people ask me, Adele, how do I know when to get out on TP1, when to get out on TP2, when to get out on TP3? On high reversal zone, guys. High reversal zone, low volume, high manipulation, alright? What's my skincare? Water and sometimes soap in the shower. Is there also a course or something? Yes, bro. The program. What's your target for TP2? My target is 45, 43, but yeah, I mean, bro, it did not touch my break even yet, but you know, we're playing 15 pips away from it. I thought you bump your head in the curl in your. How do you decide apartment or house? What was the reason? A lot of reason, bro. A lot of reason. First of all, a house, okay, it would have been way more expensive for the type of thing that I was looking for, you know. We're talking about ultra luxury, you know. We're talking about ultra luxury. The thing is that ultra luxury in a house here in Dubai, I cannot afford it. I cannot afford $100 million house. That's the truth. I mean, so how old are you? I'm 22 years old. So yeah, when we're talking about ultra luxury home in Dubai, I cannot afford them. That's just the truth. So first of all, price was awesome on this one. Was a great opportunity. How did I find it? A friend of mine that was working in telecommunication. He have around 12 properties here in Dubai. He approached me. He told me. He called me. Yodel. He didn't approach me. He approached my team, and he basically offered us this property before he listed it on the market. But doing that was still a gamble for me and for us and for him. You know why? Because the situation right now in Dubai, it's gonna get back to normal, but it's still a bit uncertain. You know, there's still a bit of uncertainty. You know, so if he would have let it on the market, then maybe there will be no buyers. And a penthouse like this, when it's just getting on the market for over 3-6 months a year, it's not a good look. It is not a good look. So it was a bit of a gamble for him. It was a bit of a gamble for me. But yeah, overall, I still think time will tell us. But I think I won the gamble. It was not a gamble. You know, you guys know what I mean. You know. It didn't touch my break even, team. Did not touch my break even. I'm not out. I'm still in the trade. You only trade gold? Yeah. Re-entry on what? Re-entry on what? What do you mean by re-entry? I saw that I can buy an apartment for like 300 euro and that's yes, of course, you can. Especially right now, you can buy an apartment in Dubai, like a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, like for like, bro, 200,000, yeah. Like I'm a privacy trader. You know what betting is? I'm not gonna say the building, bro. I'm not gonna say the building. Dubai's gonna, yeah, of course he will. Of course he will. Maria! Look, if we're able to break this 38, we'll play Maria. If we're able to break this 38, we'll play Maria. I don't think so, but still. Sorry, bro. Sorry, guys. Should I enter now and wait for TP2 to hit? No. Thank you, Staxi. Let's say goodbye. It's not a bad bye, bro. Pew, pew. Hi guys, I got an appointment at the clinic. It's not gonna take long. It's in Alcoys, like 20 minutes from here. So I want to do a big New York session though. I want to do a big New York session. So I'm gonna try to be back here for like 4 guys. Some injection? Come on, miss. No impact on goal. No. Maybe a very small impact. No. You shouldn't even follow the GPY USD news. Some Marcel Zadel. You cry because of the injection. Miss, why are you on my case today, huh? Why are you bullying me? Why are you bullying me, huh? I don't know, guys. It's just to take my blood. It's just to take my. Look, guys. There's something you don't know about me. All right. I'm not hypochondriac, but like, I'm really careful about like my health, you know? I'm very, very careful about my health. I just like want to make sure everything is fine every week. So yeah, I do weekly checkup even, and you still drink, and I still drink. Yeah, I drink water. I drink electrolyte. Sometimes I drink juice, but normally I do not drink juice. It was my girl that gave me this. That's why you don't sleep. And I'm the same health anxiety. I just want to prevent. I just want to better be safe than sorry, you know. So no blood tests. I do them bi-monthly. So basically twice a month, you know. I'm in super health, guys. I just, you know, I know it's not normal, and my mom hate that, you know. She fucking hate that. But still, you know. Hey, you have a girl. I don't have a girl. No. When it's maybe something you drink and maybe sometimes you drink and no, it's not because of that. I don't have a wife. No, guys. No, she's anyway, I'm not gonna go into the detail. Your mom make you drink? What the bro, what is she talking about? What is she talking about? I know, bro. I know. Yeah. Still married with gold. I mean Betty! But yeah, guys. So I gotta do it. I gotta go quick, you know. Yes, of course I'm in love with gold. Of course. Without gold, I wouldn't be here right now. No hype, man. Without gold, I would not be here right now. Can we close the way? Guys, I told you what to do. I told you that I closed 40% of my position on TP1, alright? and I'm just letting the right I'm just leaving my position right to either break even or TP2. That's it. That's it. How you doing, Foxy? Erika! How you doing? How old are you? I'm 22. Just turned 23. I was 22 a month ago. Erika, how are you doing? I'm doing wonderful. I'm doing wonderful. What about you? What about you? French, please. What you want me to tell you in French? Mickey Mickey! Tu veux que je te raconte quoi en français, frérot? Yes, also thank you. That's awesome, Erika. How's your trading going? Or maybe you find somebody else. You took the sale. Let's go. Nice. Did you get a bit of profit on 52? Did you get a bit of profit on 52? Well, can I sell now? No. And now. And now. Yeah? No, I'm still holding. Erika! Please put yourself back even at least then. What do you use for your hair? It's a I use one thing and it's a pomade. Yeah, a pomade. And it goes to 45-60 before sell. Maybe. I mean, like I said, the 22% is rejecting the level pretty strongly. Yes. Should I close myself? I mean, no, now it's too late. Why would you close yourself at 56? Guys, either you closed partials or fully on TP1, or you just let the rest break even. Yeah? And 15 is not looking bad. Just having trouble breaking the EMA. Gold is not ready to sell yet. What does 10 yield in Asia? What does the US do in Asia? Not much. Pourquoi me pas avoir pris de bail? Non, la question c'est pourquoi j'aurais pris un bail. C'est ça la question. So at the moment, I'm not often on TikTok, but I always come. That's cool. That's okay, Rika. Of course, I know you will. Big love, Rika. Still good to get in? No. Okay guys, I'm gonna close the live. Like I said, I got to go to the clinic real quick, alright? What the extra is doing. Trying to push to the outside. Trying to push to the upside. Trying to push to the upside. No stains today? I didn't even miss. Big love to FX team. FX team stand up! But yeah guys, I'm gonna be back the earliest possible. I mean, as soon as I'm back from my appointment, I'm gonna be back for New York, guys. So what? Let's say 15 minutes to go. 15 minutes to be back. I'm staying 30 minutes over there, 1 hour. Yeah, I should be good for 4 hours. I should be good for 4, guys. I should be good for 4. So in 2 hours, team, I just gotta leave right now. All right. Last question. Yeah, you got it, Mo. Tell me. Okay, what time frame should be a higher time frame? Higher time frame. Big love, Adele. Big love, Steezy. Big love, bro. Yeah, guys, I will be back. I will try to be back for 4. I see you taking. Oh, yeah. Oh no, there's a small stain. But yeah, I gotta buy a new one of this. The problem is that I do not like washing them. Honestly, I do not really know how to like remove the stain, so I just buy another one. Anyway, I see you in New York, Adele. Yes, see you in New York, guys. See you in New York. 1 hour and 15 minutes. See you, team. Big love, AdelCFX team. Hey, decent London session. Not bad. For this price action, we took two opportunities. We couldn't do more than that, all right? We couldn't do more than that. So yeah, we'll try to do something on New York. So big love, CFX team. I'm back in 2 hours, guys. Back in 2 hours. GG team, GG. CFX team, we out. New York gonna give us 10,000 bits. I love it, man. All right, guys. See you. Big love, CFX team. We out. YouTube. See you, YouTube. See you, guys. See you for New York session, baby. CFX team, we out.